What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. I got something cool to show you tonight. Also another little thing to show you before we get to the cool thing. It will just be an unboxing and my ideas for the future of it. I don't have any jobs right now coming up anytime soon to use it, but hopefully it'll be a big part of my handyman business, and I'll tell you why. So anyways, I started back in about November, and December was a good month for me. Had pretty steady business. January was unbelievable for me. Word of mouth, friends and family, huge things, and then showing up, doing a good job, and, you know, returning customers. All that stuff's been happening, so I'm happy about that. I will make mistakes, and I'll let you guys know when I do. But for right now, I got some cool things to show you, so let's dive into it. I folded to the TikTok shop, but I bought it off of Amazon or Temu. Yeah, Temu, TikTok shop, whatever. I purchased this off of Amazon though, because I'm pretty sure my information's been stolen twice from Temu, and I've only ordered twice. And yeah, so anyways, I die by these pencils. I like them a lot. I've had not many issues with them. So you got the sharpener right there in the holder. They're tough. I have dropped one time in like the 3 years I've owned these, and it did snap inside, but I've dropped these a lot, and that was the only time it happened. I'm missing one. I'll find it eventually, but they're all really good. The other one, the one I might be missing, is the one that has the issue. But just everything, carpentry, all that stuff. These have been awesome. And these aren't the issue ones. There is one where I go and the metal has separated from here on the inside. I guess these ones aren't it. Maybe I pitched that one. I don't think so though. But I like the ox ones a lot. They're my go-to. And I just recently got this. This is a tough shot, so hard to reach places. Just turn it, and then it shoots a little, you know, it's not permanent, but deep hole chalk marker. So it shoots a little bit of chalk. But anyways, this is the Nick Pro set. Comes with the pencils. Let's see if there's even, yep, in it. Okay. Plastic is really, it's not like the ox. It's flimsy feeling. It's a lot lighter. I think the upstairs here is the sharpener, which, you know, it's not a bad spot to put it. There's no holster for it, but there's a little clip, you know, to put in your pocket. Now this set, I mean, it comes with all this stuff. It comes with, I guess, number 2 colors and a bunch of other stuff. I just picked it up to test it out, and I mean, they're extra pencils to have. So I'll give you guys, I'll start doing some projects with these and give you guys an honest opinion. I am very biased to these. I mean, I guess the weight is there, but it just feels not as tough as plastic. And the ox is square, which I like. It has a better feel. This has a grip down here, but it's like triangular. But like, I usually have 2 fingers. This, you can't really do that. You just gotta have 3. It's personal preference. But anyways, let's dive into the big big investment for me. VEVOR! So I'm not really all into this VEVOR stuff, but I do have another cool thing to show you that I invested in from VEVOR that I think is going to be, again, a nice addition to my handyman arsenal in the long run. But let's open this up. This is a nice little knife you get, Sherwin-Williams, $9, $12, $13, I don't know. But nice, light, sharp. It's good to go. Let me open this up. VEVOR. So I dive into the VEVOR world here. I don't buy the hype, but they are affordable tools. You know, Harbor Freight-ish type stuff. You guys might know from the OEAC endoscope that I got. I did use this for like looking down drains and stuff. This is more for, you know, sink drains, kitchen drains, bathtubs, that stuff. I have, like, usually when you have to use it, put some Romax or something on it just to stiffen it up. So the camera doesn't get all dirty. That's usually what happens with these. They do advertise this as like a drain camera, but it works, but you have to fiddle with it. This is a real drain camera, and you're seeing this for the first time. I do apologize, it's just an unboxing, but as soon as I get to be able to use this, I'll show you guys what's up. So I guess this would be the locator. So you send the snake down the drain, and then this, you take it along the drain. So whether you're looking for a clog or a tap into a main or something like that, to put in a new, you know, drain system, this is the sniffer outer. Nice case, you know, nice clasps. Seems like it'll be pretty durable for the most part. It's not going to be like a banged around thing. Now here is the actual drain camera. This should be the screen. So that has a nice 9-inch color monitor, HD, slot for your card, and then has all the fixings in here, I believe. So this, this is actually pretty genius. This is what goes on the camera to help guide it down into the drain. So it kind of keeps it centered up out of water, which is fantastic. And this right here, I saw that and was like, you know, I looked at other ones on Amazon, and this was like $700, maybe $800. Here's the actual camera. It's pretty stout. Looks like it has some good lighting. Probably just squeeze that in there. So then you push that through the drain. I actually might keep this in here. See, I'm one of those guys that just opens stuff up and, you know, I'll figure it out as it goes. I should probably read the instruction manual, but I won't. And I forget how many feet this is. It's give me a second here. So I want to say it was like 70, 90, or 120 feet. I'm not sure. I'll link the product in the description below. I do like how the screen sits up like this. This is the battery. So it's rechargeable. So on the go. And this will brighten your LED. I'm curious to see. So there's your screen, data cards inserted, and that's it. So then the camera would hook up. I still have to, I'm not going to play with this that much, but you know, this is why I think this will be a good investment. So at the end of the day, why I think it's a great investment for $700 to $800 is I have that Chinese main drain snake. I'll link 2 videos about it. It's still working. I still use it, and drain cleaning, clearing, you don't have to be a certified plumber to do it. I'm pretty savvy in plumbing in general. It's probably one of my stronger suits. Also, like I said, just taking it out to look at clogs, or find if I want to put a toilet in the basement or something of someone's house, locate where we're running to, how to get to the stack, where we're going to cut up the concrete, all that stuff. So the thing will pay for itself. Right now I don't need it. I bought it, purchased it for future uses, and right now though I have a lot of remodeling and stuff. I thought I'd be getting a lot more, like, you know, hang pictures, hang TVs, do this, do that, but I've had a lot of bigger jobs coming up here. I'm going to be adding a EV outlet carport thing for home, and then you know, there's somebody wants 2 bedrooms turned into 1, so knocking down walls and all that. So we're getting into some big projects, and I do have some lighter ones that come up, but the good thing is I always have work, and it's working out. So if you guys have any questions, eventually when I use that machine, I will make videos about it. I do apologize. I know people get mad at these unboxing videos. I understand, but maybe someone's interested in buying it and just want to see it physically, well, as physically as they can in a video. I think the quality just out of the box should be just fine. Is it like something that you're going to throw in the back of a van and have it clank around and bend? No, you don't want that for that type of equipment. You know, you want to take care of it, protect it. The cases are nice, but you know, they're not going to take a beating like something rigid or would make, or something like that. But anyways, that does it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.